Okay, here we are talking about the Gros Michel bananas again. And I wanted to show you something. Less than a week ago, I put down a big pile of homemade compost, and I also put on nematode killer and weevil killer. Two things that attack the root ball of these plants and cause the leaves to grow out close together. You notice here, 1, 2, 3, 4, if you look back here, 5 in a space of what, 4 inches, got 5 leaves. Bananas aren't supposed to grow like that. You notice over here, very similar, only not quite so bad. You know, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here in 6 inches, but now look at the growth taking off right here. Look at the space between that leaf and the next leaf. And then when you come around here, you can see the new leaf shooting up out of that hole. And the same thing's happening on all of them. Look at the spread. Look how much spread there is. How it looks like all of a sudden it's starting to stretch out and grow instead of coming out of the same place. That is the telltale sign of one of those two. I don't know which one it is. I haven't narrowed it down. I just spray both things and it gets rid of it. So we should see some phenomenal growth out of these now. I'll check back with you in about another week or so. And no, it wasn't the compost making them start shooting up like that. And I know that because they were well fertilized before the compost. And I've done this before. Thanks for watching. Subscribe so you can keep track of these banana plants. See how they're growing. See how I deal with them. And I'm going to make some more compost. I'm going to cut this green grass and put it in the compost bin. I had to repair it. It's starting to come apart. And we'll also keep track on that, the dragon fruit, if it ever makes any more flowers, and see if maybe I get some fruit out of it this year. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk later. Bye-bye. As you can see, I'm filling up the composter with some nice freshly cut grass from the tall grass in my yard. And that'll be the start of a new batch of compost. Stay tuned for more.